Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Easy, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at one of the most exciting new releases in the world of 360-degree cameras, the Insta360 Ace Pro. Whether you're an action junkie, a travel vlogger, or just someone who loves capturing every angle of life, this camera promises to take your content to the next level. So, let's dive right in. The Insta360 Ace Pro is the latest flagship 360-degree camera from Insta360, a brand that's been pushing the boundaries of immersive video for years. This model comes loaded with features that are designed to make your footage look more professional, whether you're shooting in a bustling city, on a mountain trail, or underwater. Right out of the box, you can tell that this is a premium device. It's got a solid, well-built feel, with a sleek design that's both functional and stylish. But what really sets the Ace Pro apart are the features packed inside this little powerhouse. Let's break them down. First up, the headline feature, 8K video resolution. The Insta360 Ace Pro can capture video in stunning 8K at 30 FPS. That's more pixels than you'll know what to do with, and it's perfect for getting those crisp, high-definition shots that pop with detail. Whether you're zooming in on a landscape or capturing fast-moving action, the resolution ensures that your footage is sharp and clear. And it's not just about the resolution. The Ace Pro uses a dual-lens system with a wide field of view to capture everything around you, and when combined with Insta360's proprietary flow state stabilization, you get buttery smooth footage even in the most dynamic situations. Let's talk about stabilization. We've all had those moments where we're capturing something amazing, but the footage turns out shaky and almost unwatchable. The flow state stabilization technology in the Insta360 Ace Pro solves that problem with gimbal-like smoothness, ensuring your videos are steady and professional looking. Now, let's move on to the software side of things. Insta360's app is packed with AI-powered editing tools that make creating professional-looking content easier than ever. You've got features like Smart Track, which automatically keeps your subject in the center of the frame, and Deep Track 3.0, which intelligently tracks and follows even fast-moving subjects, ensuring they stay in focus. Plus, with Auto Frame, the app can automatically find and suggest the best angles from your 360-degree footage, saving you tons of time in post-production. And if you're into sharing on social media, the app also supports quick exporting to platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube with just a few taps. Another major highlight is the Ace Pro's durability. It's waterproof up to 10 meters without any additional housing, and with the optional dive case, you can take it down to 30 meters. Whether you're diving, surfing, or just caught in a downpour, you can keep shooting without any worries. Alright, now that we've covered the specs and features, let's talk about real-world performance. I took the Insta360 Ace Pro on a few different adventures to put it to the test. Here's what happened. First up, I took it to the city to test its low light capabilities. As you can see, the Ace Pro performs remarkably well in low light, thanks to its dual 1/2-inch sensors and advanced image processing. The footage remains clear, with minimal noise and great color reproduction, even in challenging lighting conditions. Next, I hit the trails to see how it handled bright, outdoor conditions. The Ace Pro's dynamic range really impressed me here. The highlights and shadows are well balanced, and the colors are vibrant without being oversaturated. Plus, the 8K resolution really shines when you're capturing wide open spaces. The level of detail is just incredible. Underwater, the Ace Pro is equally impressive. The camera handled the transition from land to water smoothly, and the footage is clear and stable. It's a great tool for anyone into water sports or underwater photography. In terms of battery life, the Ace Pro gives you about 80 minutes of continuous shooting at 8K. While that's pretty solid for a camera of this caliber, I recommend picking up an extra battery if you're planning to be out filming for an extended period. So how does the Insta360 Ace Pro compare to other top 360 cameras like the GoPro Max or the Insta360 X3? In my experience, the Ace Pro is a standout in several key areas. It offers higher resolution than most competitors, superior stabilization, and a more comprehensive editing suite. For example, while the GoPro Max has great stabilization and user-friendly features, it caps out at 5.6K, which doesn't quite match the 8K clarity of the Ace Pro. On the other hand, the Insta360 X3 is a solid choice if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, but it lacks some of the advanced AI editing features that make the Ace Pro so versatile. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Insta360 Ace Pro comes in at around insert current price, which places it in the higher end of the market. But when you consider the features you're getting, 8K resolution, advanced stabilization, AI editing, and rugged durability, it's an investment that delivers incredible value, especially if you're serious about your content creation. The package includes the camera itself, a battery, a charging cable, and a protective pouch. There are also a variety of optional accessories like the dive case, lens guards, and selfie sticks that can enhance your filming experience. So, is the Insta360 Ace Pro worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. If you're in the market for a 360 camera that offers top-notch video quality, cutting-edge features, and a seamless user experience, the Ace Pro is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for content creators, adventurers, or anyone looking to capture the world from every angle.
Thanks for tuning into Tech Easy. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews, unboxings, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another product you'd like to see featured on the channel. See you in the next video.